know my age. I don't have to worry, and that is that. I'm safe in here from that old Putty Tat. I saw a Putty Tat. I did saw a Putty Tat.
And stay out! Spoiled sport.
When I wish I was smiling, so it's like a morning spring. In the wild of Irish laughter, you can hear the angels sing. When I wish hearts are happy, all the world seems bright. Help! Help! The bad old Putty Tat is after me! Yeah, that'll teach you. Next time I'll give you what for. Bad old Putty Tat. I thought I saw a Putty Tat. I saw a Putty Tat. Bad old Putty Tat. You frightened me. You made me little heart quiver. Bad old Putty Tat. Uh-oh, the Putty Tat after me again. He mad at me. I will have to flee for me little wife. That old Putty Tat never gonna catch me now.
Here, monkey. Here's a nice banana for you.
That Putty Tat after me again. Well, look at this, a darling little monkey. Here, monkey, here's a nice new penny for you. Aha! Thought you'd outfox old Granny, huh? Well, I was hep to you all the time.
Yes?
Hello? Yes, clerk? Would you please send up a boy to get my bags and bird? I'm checking out.
Room 158? Yes, ma'am. Right away.
Yes? Who is it?
Your bags, madame?
Oh, yes. Just a minute. Okay, they're right behind the door. I'll see you in the lobby. Now I ask you very confidentially, Inky Tweet. I thought I saw a Putty Tat. I did call Putty Tat. What are you going to do, Putty Tat?
What am I gonna do? How naive can you get? I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll play sandwich.
Sandwich? Oh, Tootie. How do you play it?
Now, first, you step on this slice of bread. Then, I cover you with the other slice, like this.
What do I do now, Putty? What do I do now?
No peeking.
What did you say, Putty? What did you say? I can't hear you. Ooh! I don't like that game.
Come down here, you little squirt.
Ooh, you're a bad Putty Tat. That's what you are. That Putty Tat never gonna find me here. Hey, that little birdie never gonna get away from you this time, huh, Putty Tat? Oh, you much too smart for him, huh, Putty Tat? Hello, Mr. Putty Tat. What you doing down there? You so clever you really should have been a fox, Mr. Putty Tat. This is what I get for dreaming of a white Christmas.
All right, Cat, just a minute. Coming, coming.
I thought I tore a Putty Tat. I thought I tore another Putty Tat. Hey, I'm surrounded by Putty Tats. Oh, poor Putty Tat. He fell down. Ooh, a little playmate. I never see you before. What's your name? My name is Tweety. Have you got a name? What's the matter? The Putty Tat got your tongue? Hey, that must be pretty good stuff. May I have a drink with you? Ooh, thank you. Ooh, those Putty Tats again. Run! The Putty Tats will get you. Oh, but something tell me that Putty is somewhere around here close to me with his long teeth and his sharp claws. Oh, I'm scared! That bad old Putty Tat never gonna find me in here. Duty for me. I is running a choo-choo train. I will give it full speed ahead. Putty Tats that way. Uh-oh. Something tells me that Putty Tat around here someplace.
Well, birds are off my list. That one sort of upset my stomach.